One little duck, O-N-E, one little duck. One duck, yes, this is number one. Two little cats, T-W-O, two little cats. One cat, two cats, yes, this is number two. Three little cows, T-H-R-V-E, three little cows. One cow, two cows, three cows, yes, this is number three. Four little frogs, F-O-U-R, four little frogs. One frog, two frogs, three frogs, four frogs, yes, this is number four. Five little birds, F-I-V-E, five little birds. One bird, two birds, three birds, four birds, five birds, yes, this is number five.
Keep learning with Samina Kids TV. Please like, share and subscribe.